Make for a good photo.
Living on the edge. Danger. You're in a hurry.
It's like a, yeah, it's just like a batter. Oh, better. My ones were better. She doesn't know how to do it. No. What do they call this? Octopus balls. And that's the finished product.
Let's just roll it.
What's that like, the tentacles? The innards.
And the other thing is the roe.
Okay, so we're back in Osaka after Hiroshima. We caught the bullet train, and now we're back in Osaka. This is another optional $150 to walk around trip. We went to the castle. That was pretty useless. And now we're in the kind of like the new city, kind of like a retro cross between, I don't know. But it's pretty cool. What of red light? Not red light, neon lights, and there's that big Osaka building there. There's lots of people. Lots of people. And lots of food, and I'm still sick. When you have a temperature of 40 and you got shivers down your spine, you don't really feel like being a tourist. That's alright, I hadn't turned it on. Unlucky. Okay, this is Retro Neo on the Ace Pro 2 film look. Gives you that kind of retro look, I guess. That's why it's called Retro Neo. Rob, dumbass. Okay, so that's the tower in the background there. Tower in the background, the neon lights are all out, starting to get around 7 o'clock, so it's pretty cool. Just a little bit exhausted, that's all. But I'm taking it all in. It's really, really full on actually. Have a look. It's like the other places in Osaka too. So many tourists. I mean, I don't know what Sydney's like, but Japan is just tourist crazy. I'm telling you now. Not just Aussies. So many people. It's a little bit overwhelming. I don't know where the bus is. Hi. I just keep saying hi. So later that night we ended up going to see the Glico Running Man. It's one of Japan's most famous advertising landmarks. What's the Glico Man? Is that famous, is it?
Apparently.
Yeah, I never heard of it.
I'd take a picture of you. You can tell them. Then you go home and look it up on Google.
Look it up on Google. I'm doing a video, but you never know. I never heard of it.
No, I don't think any of us have.
Glico Man. Transformers, I've heard of them.
Which one?
Transformers.
Oh, yes.
It's located in the vibrant Dotonbori entertainment district, and apparently it's been towering over the bridge there for about half a century. The billboard is basically an advertisement for the Azaki Glico company. Basically it's a chocolate company best known for the creator of Pocky. A Pocky. When the company's founder, Riki Izaki, created his first chocolate in 1922, it was a heart-shaped caramel candy and it could sustain people for 300 meters. I don't know, that's a bit crazy. Anyway, he got glycogen extracted from oysters. Jesus, that sounds tasty. Anyway, over the years, apparently it's been taken down and rebuilt during the war. The modern one you see here was built in 2014, and it's just basically neon tubing. So what we did, we paid for one of these little canal boats that go up and down the canal, and you get to see the buildings and everything. It's pretty good. It's probably better than what you see here in the footage. And I tried to get some photos up and down the canal of the buildings and stuff. There really wasn't that much to take photos of, but it was a good experience anyway. Okay, so this is my second last night in Japan. We're in Osaka. I'll tell you what, Osaka is probably the best town, better than Kyoto. It's just got something authentic and rustic about it. It's really nice, really authentic, rustic. Like, this kind of reminds me of like old school, like from the 1940s Singapore type, It just has that vibe about it, kind of like a nightlife / red light, but not really red light. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really cool, like hip. It's a hip place to be. It looks like a lot of hip things to do. It's going to go for another walk. I'm buggered now, I'll tell you what. Between the flu and all day walking around and being like a bloody tourist, it really takes it out of you. But I'm doing it for the photos, for the street. Rob for the street. You gotta do the street photography.